This is the house. You can open the door.
Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah, come on in. This is the garage and there's another room up there. We'll go later. But this one is the main house.
Oh, and there's lighting in the stairs.
Close.
There's lighting in the stairs.
Yeah.
And right here, this is, and right here, this is to talk to people in the front if they
Yeah.
can hear.
Intercom. And this is the
Living room.
living room.
And it has the skylight.
Nice.
The skylight and the very fancy.
Yeah.
Fireplace, as you can see.
Yeah, this is the library of the house.
Yes. With the closet right here. You can put.
Yeah.
You can put a TV right here.
Yeah, I'm going back to the foyer of the house. The stairs going upstairs.
And,
Here. You're walking to the
and there's the kitchen. And here's
brand
the
new
kitchen,
kitchen.
with a great looking. It's intelligent
Everything.
dispenser, grocery manager.
brand new. Everything
And
is brand
it
new.
has recipes.
Okay.
Has things. And it has Pandora, Twitter, AP News, calendar, and you're curious, grocery manager, photos, and memo.
This is the outside. Up here.
And again, you can put a TV right here.
On the outside. If I go outside, there's a tennis court up there. A very nice tennis court. This is the backyard. This is
Show
the
the dining room.
water fountain area for
And
everyone.
fish, and there's a few fish living in there.
this.
Like
It's a beautiful backyard here.
Wait,
Let's
is
go
it
back
koi
to the
fish?
house. It's a,
Daddy, come
No.
in here. Oh, there's a pool, which
it's a
is
Pool
going to
and-
get cleaned up if
and
it's
a
dirty.
jacuzzi. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Lock the door. Okay. And this is the bar of the
Oh, and